Hello everybody. Today we are at Blind Pass. I got messages of some great shelling here. But before we actually get out on the beach, the first thing I want to do is show you this sign. As people come here, they go swimming. Can you read what that sign says? Warning, no swimming. That's correct. You are not allowed to swim here. Now let's just go out and see if we see any nuts out there. Well, so far so good. Nope, see? They don't listen. And they wonder why when the police come to give them a hard time, they wonder why. Yeah, these guys. All the pelicans up in the tree. Isn't it cool? To be honest with you, I really am seeing nothing I would really bend over and pick up so far. As I said a few seconds ago, back by the pass there's no swimming. We saw lots of people in the water, and I just passed a 4 or 5-year-old little girl on a boogie board. But guess what? No parents sitting there watching her. The parents were sitting up on the beach having a good old time, and you could see the current pulling her. Fortunately, it's not pulling you out. As you look at the water, it's pulling you, it's flowing off to the left. But I'm not finding anything. There's a lot of people out here today, so they get all the stuff before I do. We'll walk a little further. Something else of interest. The sand down this way is a little bit darker. A little darker than where I usually go, and it's much warmer on your feet. I would say it's hot on your feet. We're down the other end, it's not hot on your feet at all. Just something to think about. Birds are stirred up. All right, I've turned around, head back towards the car. Kind of a wasted trip. Maybe I'll go over Bowman's Beach, we'll see. Alright, so we did a little fishing today and we caught ourselves lunch. Where's that dinner?
Yeah, I did.
You caught it?
I did.
Oh,
but
cool.
My son reeled it in. My son reeled it in for me.
Oh, but you caught it?
Yeah.
Just let him reel it in for the fun.
Yeah, I don't have strength in my arm.
Take the picture.
Cool.
Can you take pictures?
Steve, you ought to have been fine bringing my 80-pound line here.
It spit it.
I would have been fine bringing my 80-pound
But I mean, you saw that whiting I had on there. I had a 12-inch whiting for bait.
Alright, we didn't find any shells. We did see somebody catching fish. You see people swimming where they're not supposed to be. Thanks for coming along. I think I'm going to go over to another beach and roam around a little bit. Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.